y'all, okay. Oh. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalynn, and in today's video, I'm bringing you a review of the Skims Body Tape and Pasties by Kim Kardashian West. So if you guys didn't know, I've actually already done a review on this channel of the Skims shapewear. So if you guys want to check that video out, I will be sure to link it right up here. And girl, let's just say I was not impressed, okay? I kept it all the way real in that video, and I'm gonna keep it all the way real in this video. I did wanna let you guys know that this is my second time filming this video. Unfortunately, some of the footage was out of focus, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys really quickly to the unboxing portion, and then I'll be right back with you to do the try on. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see. Alright, and it's similarly packaged to the shapewear as well. Again, we have the Skims printed on the inside of the box. And we have like this cute little shapewear packaging, and it has a little bit of tape. Wow. Okay, so you open it up and we have our Skims body tape, and then we have our Skims pasties. Last but not least, in the box we have my receipt. So let me tell you guys in total what I paid. So in total I paid $56.88. So I paid $6 for shipping, and I paid $12 for the pasties, and I paid $36 for the body tape. Now, I will let you guys know these items are both final sale, so that's something to keep in mind if you plan on purchasing these items. Now that you guys have seen the try on clips, let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Let's go ahead and start with the pasties first, and I want to start with the pros. So my first pro is definitely the color. I picked my pasties up in the color Tiger's Eye, and I found this to be the best skin tone match that I've been able to find when it comes to pasties. My second pro is definitely the shape of this pasty. I found that because it was in that teardrop shape, I was able to actually get some lift out of the pasties as well. Now, disclaimer, I do have a smaller chest, so if you're someone with a bigger chest, you may not get that same effect out of the pasties. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the cons. So my number one and only con for the pasties is the price. You literally only get 5 pasties for $12, and these pasties are non-reusable. And another thing that you guys have to keep in mind is that if you're not willing to spend $75 or more on the Skims website, then you will have to pay $6 for shipping as well, which is really pricey for one-time use pasties. I am a huge Amazon shopper, and I buy my pasties on Amazon all the time, and I can literally get 30 to 40 non-reusable pasties for literally $13 and free shipping, okay? Because I'm Prime, okay? Period. But I can just not justify this price whatsoever. There's nothing really revolutionary about them that justify that price. So I think it solely boils down to you're paying for the name, you're paying for the fact that this is a Kim Kardashian product. Now let's go ahead and get into my pros and cons for the body tape. So my pros for the body tape is, again, the color. Of course, I think the Tiger's Eye is a great skin tone match for anyone that's my skin tone or close to my skin tone. My second pro is definitely the fact that you're able to get lift out of this product. It does what it says it's going to do. You're able to lift, you're able to create whatever sort of bra structure it is that you need to suit that outfit. So I think it 100% does what it says it does. The only thing that I can't guarantee for you guys is the 12-hour wear. I will do a 12-hour wear test for you guys if you want to see that. Be sure to leave me a comment below and like this video, and I will get it done for you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump over to the cons. My first con, again, is the price, of course. I just think it is overpriced. You're paying $36 for a roll of 45 feet. Now, if you guys didn't know, a lot of people are comparing the body tape to KT tape, which I can see where the comparison comes in. So if you're making that comparison, you can get a roll of KT tape for 115 feet, and you can get it for literally $39. and free shipping if you have Prime. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Like, the price is just really not justified for me when it comes to the body tape either. My next con is that when you're removing this body tape, if you have any hair on your body whatsoever, it will pull at that, which is super duper uncomfortable. Ooh, y'all, okay. Oh my god, okay. It's not excruciating pain in my opinion, but it is not comfortable to remove if you're someone who has hair on your body. My next con is that this body tape is difficult to put on. If you are not a professional body taper, if you're not someone who uses body tape on the regular, it's hard to know where to place the body tape for what occasion and for what outfit. So one thing I would recommend to the company if they ever see this video or anything like that is to provide some sort of instructions for those of us who don't necessarily body tape ourselves on the regular, okay? If you could provide maybe like Kim K wearing a low-cut blazer or wearing a low-cut dress, a backless dress, and show how you would tape her for that occasion, I think that would be very helpful and also help to kind of sell the product, because I think a lot of people are intimidated by body tape because it's like, okay, I don't know how to use it. And literally, you guys, I was getting so frustrated. I wasted a ton of product trying to properly place the body tape. So I think some sort of instruction or guide would have been helpful. And until we get that, I just recommend phoning a friend, because girl, you're gonna need help, okay? Okay, babe, so I know a lot of you are probably wondering, do you think I should pick up the pasties? Do you think I should pick up the body tape? And my opinion is, honestly, it depends on your needs and what you do on a day-to-day basis. Now, in my opinion, me personally, I don't do anything. I don't go anywhere. I don't attend red carpet events. I don't wear a lot of low-cut tops, low-cut back dresses, and things of that nature. So I personally will not be repurchasing it. I just feel like my regular, degular, schmegular pasties do just fine, girl, and I will link those down below in case you guys wanted some recommendations. I love you guys so much. I did want to let you guys know I will be posting every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure you guys tune in for that. I love you so much, and until next time, bye!